5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
J. Robert Oppenheimer was an American theoretical physicist and academic who is widely known for his role in the Manhattan Project, the U.S. government program that developed the first nuclear weapons during World War II. Oppenheimer was born in New York City on April 22, 1904, to a wealthy family. He attended the Ethical Culture School in New York and later studied physics and chemistry at Harvard University. After receiving his PhD in physics from the University of Göttingen in Germany in 1927, Oppenheimer returned to the United States and began his academic career at the University of California, Berkeley. He quickly became a leading figure in the field of theoretical physics, making important contributions to the study of quantum mechanics and the behavior of subatomic particles. In 1942, Oppenheimer was recruited by this government to lead the Manhattan Project, a top-secret program aimed at developing an atomic bomb before the Germans could do the same. Oppenheimer was initially reluctant to accept the position, but he eventually agreed and began working tirelessly to assemble a team of scientists and engineers to work on the project. Over the course of the next few years, Oppenheimer and his team worked on various designs for an atomic bomb, eventually settling on a design that used plutonium as its core. The first successful test of the bomb, known as Trinity, took place on July 16, 1945, in the desert near Amigado, New Mexico. Oppenheimer famously described the event by quoting from the Hindu scripture Bhagavad Gita, saying, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." With the successful test of the atomic bomb, the US government quickly made the decision to use it against Japan. On August 6, 1945, US B-29 bomber dropped the first atomic bomb on the city of Hiroshima, instantly killing an estimated 70,000 people. 3 days later, a second bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki, killing another 40,000 people. Oppenheimer was deeply conflicted about the use of atomic weapons and became an advocate for nuclear disarmament later in his life. He was also a vocal opponent of the development of the hydrogen bomb, which he believed would make the atomic bomb seem like a firecracker by comparison. In 1954, Oppenheimer's security clearance was revoked by the US government due to concerns about his alleged ties to communist organizations. The decision was controversial and widely criticized, with many of Oppenheimer's colleagues and supporters arguing that it was unjustified. Oppenheimer continued to work as a professor of physics at the University of California, Berkeley, until his death from throat cancer in 1967. Despite the controversy surrounding his role in the development of the atomic bomb, Oppenheimer remains a highly respected figure in the world of physics and is widely regarded as one of the most brilliant scientists of the 20th century.